Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete permission set in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to setup. So from here, we click on setup and then you will need just to go in the quick find box and then search for permission set. So I'm just going to type permission set and I have a typo. So let's go to the permission sets and then we will need just to choose any permission sets that we are able to modify and not default ones. So basically you cannot delete the default ones or the ones that were included with uh, the Salesforce organization, and basically you can delete these custom ones. So for example, I have this chatbot permission sets and I have also some other permission sets that I have just created. So basically we need simply to click on this delete. So I'm just going to click delete and you will need to confirm. Okay, and now of course, you cannot complete this operation because this permission set is assigned to one or more users. So always make sure that you don't have your permission sets that's already assigned to other users. So let's simply create a new permission set and I'm just going to give it a name and URL and I'm just going to click on save and now we will have our permission set that will be somewhere here. So let's go back to the permission sets and I will need just to find my permission sets. Let's just go to next until we find our ones. So my set, and because I didn't assign it to anyone, I will be able to delete them. So as you can see, I can delete also this one, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.